Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of maintenance on our Ariens IKON-XD 52, and this thing gets beat on. We've had it for over a year. I think I have about 49 hours on it already, and before we got the tractor, this was basically the mower, the brush hog. I put the pump sprayer on it. It does a lot of work around here on the homestead, but today we're going to change these mower blades. And let's see how difficult that's going to be. A little unconventional way of getting it up in the air, but you got to do what you got to do. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so I just got these blades on Amazon. They are the OEM replacement blades for this unit. If you got the same unit, I'll leave a link below for these. It's the most affordable place that I found them. Quick shipping, you know, obviously we hate to always feed Amazon, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So let's check out under here. Again, this has not been serviced other than oil changes. We have not serviced this in over a year and a half, and I'm going to take a peek under there. Again, it just takes a whooping around here, and you know, should take better care of it, but got to work. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this should be a 24 millimeter. Yep, fits perfectly. So I'm going to try to shoot this with the impact gun here without bracing the blades, and let's see if that works. Get us going. If not, we'll have to get a block. Oh, that works. Pretty sweet. Just like that. Clean out some of this mess. Man, these are gonna have to be yeah, time for a little maintenance. Let's get this off here. Alright. So, putting the new blade on, might as well do it as we go here. Make sure you have the right side up. And it looks like that is the right side up. Put your washer back in, and you're not. Always start these by hand so that you don't cross thread it with the air gun. That's a lot of power. Surprising they don't have any splines or anything that you have to lock in. This is just a round hole. Reverse the gun. There we go. Should be good to go. Man, that's easy. So that's one down. Let's do the rest. Alright, last step, I'm going to end up cleaning some of this out. Scraping all this old grass out of here, clean these blades up. Alright, so we got some crud cleaned out from underneath this thing. Again, we really got to keep on with this maintenance a little bit more, so don't bash me in the comments too bad. A lot of stuff to do around here. Alright guys, so these are a little dull. That's about 50 hours on these blades. Really hard to use, hitting a lot of rocks around here in the Ozarks. But super easy job. If you guys are thinking about doing this, this took literally 15 minutes, you know, aside from filming the video. Jack it up in the air. Obviously you don't need a tractor to do that. Make sure you're safe and supported. Get in there with even with a breaker bar or an air hammer or something like that, and like I said, goes right in, 3 bolts. And if I knew it was this easy, I probably would have done it a long time ago. It's just been putting this off. So thanks for joining us on another repair video around here at the homestead. Like and subscribe if you like this type of stuff, and we'll see you on the next video.